Hey guys, Allison from Citrep, your path for a better you, and today we're gonna be doing 5 minutes abs workout. So grab your mat and let's go. We're gonna start with coccyx balance. We're gonna do 16 of these, and then at the end we're gonna hold it. If you wanna follow my pace, that's fine. If you wanna do it on your own pace, make sure just to really feel it in your abs. Guys, get ready to hold your position, and you're gonna hold it until you hear the bell, and then get ready because the next exercise is gonna be crunch. Now, out of this crunch, you're just gonna do 20. Just really make sure you're breathing every time you do a crunch. Okay, get ready for the next exercise. It's gonna be a sit-up. You're gonna do 20 of these ones. Great, let's get ready for double straight leg stretch. That's the one. We're just gonna be doing 10 of these ones. Okay, your abs must be burning by now, so let's get ready for some froggies with a crunch. Super, you're almost done. We're just gonna go with a crisscross, but only to the right side. Okay, get ready to switch to the left side. Great, now we're gonna do it both sides like a normal crisscross. Okay, now you're gonna keep your legs at 45-degree angles, and you're just gonna beat your legs like tiny little scissors. And awesome, for this last exercise, you're just gonna keep a crunch, your legs to the 90-degree angle. They're gonna beat, and then they're gonna open to a V position, and then close and beat again. You're gonna do 20 of these. This exercise also works your inner thighs, so really make sure to stretch your legs. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining this 5 minutes of abs workout. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to join our community by liking this video, commenting, and subscribing to our channel for more content. See you next Wednesday.